from DODuae.com. So, this is a local online. Okay, so yeah, as I said, it's from DOD. Suki ako ng DOD DODuae. It's a local online store here in UAE. So, I bought this one necklace. Alam nyo kung magkano lang to? It's only 2 dirham. See? For styling lang siya. 2 dirham only. And this one, I bought for the coffee. So, yan. Style siya ng coffee. Like, yung pang pumupunta kayo ng mga Starbucks, nagdi-design sila ng churba ganito. So, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta ng Starbucks. Gawa na lang kayo ng kape. Yes. Para maganda siya tingnan. And, I will make another vlog for that, for the coffee. And this one, this is a adhesive wallpaper. Ano siya? Para sa kitchen ko. Or sa sink. Para yung mga oil hindi magdidikit-dikit. Yung mga oil hindi magdidikit sa wall. So, ano to? 3 pieces to. There you go. Yeah, it's 3 pieces. And last thing is this one. Camouflage see-through jacket for summer. Pang stylish lang siya. It's very cheap. It's like 25 dirhams lang, mga besh. So, yeah, suki ako ng DOD. Most of my clothes I bought from them. I like the price. I like the texture of the clothes, and they delivered very fast. And the delivery shipment is very cheap. Sometimes you get free. And yeah, so this is my unboxing from DOD online store. So, yan po. So I'll have another vlog for this. I have another vlog for this one, for the coffee. So, para sosyalan yung coffee natin. So, we don't need to go out to have a glorious coffee churba. Right? So, that's it lang po. Thank you. And thank you for watching my vlog. So, I hope you like my unboxing. And I do really like the DODuae UAE online store. Yeah. So that's all. That's it lang. Thank you and good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.